come garage selling with my daughter and I as we find great items to source for my eBay full-time reselling business. Hi, my name is Michelle and I'm with Paladin Global Market. I'm so glad you're here. In this video, I'm going to be taking you along the journey while my daughter Haley and I go out sourcing for amazing items to resell online. Garage sales, estate sales, thrift stores, and clearance centers are a great source of inventory for my online reselling business. But another major source of inventory is consignment items, free inventory, which is super cool. But for this video, I'm going to take you along the journey for modern day treasure hunting, where I have found things time and time again for $1 and I flip it into 30, 40, 50. I even had, when I purchased a pair of used running shoes, I know, Run Disney New Balance marathon shoes I got for $1. It is so fun finding these kind of items out on the go. My daughter and I are pretty serious about it. On Saturday mornings, we get up very early. On Fridays, I go and I prepare my route. I'll link a video where I show you exactly how I do that, how I pull my routes, I find the addresses, and then I rearrange them and sort them in a way that we can go quick. If you enjoyed this type of content so far, will you please give it a thumbs up? It helps. Also, if you have not already, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload new content. Are you ready? Let's go garage sailing. Good morning. Hey, Haley's half asleep. We're going garage sailing. Got some Chick-fil-A. Yeah. That'll be good. Got some gas. Went to our first garage sale and actually they weren't even set up. So we're on to the next.
Kind of lame.
Kind of lame. Yeah, we hate when they do that, but that's okay. We have a list of them to go to, so we're going to take you along for the journey. Bye, guys.
Bye.
That was a table full of clothes.
There's so much. How long did it take me? Like 30 minutes to look through all of it?
It's freezing.
It's so cold. My hands are like
I came inside. You can see my skin's all red.
The gloves.
Gloves. It was huge. So what'd you get?
I found a lot of stuff. I found a brand that I haven't found at a garage sale before. It's called Baby Fat. It's very popular now.
Yeah.
And quite expensive, so
yeah,
everything was priced for 50 cents. The total came up to $7 and I got 2 full bags of stuff.
Oh my god.
But she rounded down to 5 for me. 2 full Publix bags of clothes and I got it for $5.
That's cool. And that was a rummage sale that you were really excited about.
Yes, I was so excited about this.
It's quite a ways away, but it was worth the drive.
Yeah.
That's awesome. On to the next.
Yep.
Bye. It's so cold. They do $2 each on the shoes.
2?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Thank you. Cool place. This one, maybe. Yeah. So old movie reels. When you get close to it, you can smell it. Yeah, it has a distinct scent. That's cool. So that was a great day. Look at our loot.
Yeah. I found a lot of stuff for like, I just spent more than I thought I was going to because it was estate sales and you can't really bargain with them. But the lady was nice and she gave me a good discount. So
yeah, I know in this video you're going to see all the really cool cameras from the movie producer guy that we went to the estate sale, and it was just neat to see his collection and stuff. So we are now at
collection. Yes.
Yeah, his collection. We'll call it that.
Yeah.
So that is our garage sailing adventures. I combined several different days, Saturdays together for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the different things to keep an eye out for when you're out garage selling on your own. Garage sales can be a great source of inventory for your eBay business. If you are also looking for another way to have inventory come to you for free, and consignment reselling is something that you'd be interested in, make sure you check on the link in the description below.
Yeah.
So we're at Chick-fil-A to end the day, just topped off the gas tank, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and check us out for future videos. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. This is Michelle, Paladin Global Market. You guys have a wonderful day. Happy reselling.